This is the story of an ice cube of how it works. So ice could be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. It could be anything. It can be all. So here is our ice cube, as you can see over here. And you guys are probably thinking, but how does it become a solid? Or was it even a liquid at first, or even a gas? Well, today I'm going to tell you the story of an ice cube. Yay! Yay! So to first do the ice cube, you first want to put the water, which is called a liquid, into the ice cube tray. So here is the close-up view of a liquid, and here is all the particles, as you can see over here. Here it's so basically it's really fascinating because I truly did not know it will look just like this in close-up view. So then after that, you want to put the liquid into the freezer. So then after it has been inside the freezer, it turns into a solid. Since basically, let me just erase this. Since basically, when the ice cube has been inside the freezer, the freezer is really cold, so it's nice, so it turns into a solid. Yes. So basically here is a close-up of a solid. In this case, we are using a rock, and here is a solid. And again, this time the particles is kind of more spread apart and not really close together like a liquid. So what do you think will happen? Will the ice cube melt? Will the ice cube turn into a gas? Or will it still just sit there and be a solid? Did you guys say that it will turn into a liquid? Well, you guys are correct. Because basically, if you're wondering, wait, why does it become a liquid since it's a solid? Isn't it supposed to stay like a solid? Well, since it has been originally came from liquid, thus, if you put it on a sun, well, next to a sun, basically the sunlight from the energy of the sun will go to the ice cube and slowly melt because the energy of the sun is really, really hot. So basically it will shine onto the ice and it will slowly melt. Dun dun dun! So if Olaf was next to the sun, he would definitely melt. Wait a minute, Olaf isn't orange, he's white. There we go, that's much more better. So basically the change from a liquid to a gas is called vaporization. Vaporization takes place when the particles as a liquid gain enough energy to form a gas. So basically, if you took the pedal of the ice cube, it will eventually, from the particles, come to a gas. So basically, when the water turns into a gas, it's called evaporation, and because of this, it has enough energy, as you can see over here, it has enough energy to turn into a gas. So that's why water or liquid can turn into a gas. This is what gas looks like. As you can see, the particles has been really spread apart. As you can see over here, instead of the solid, it's a little bit more closer. The liquid's way more closer, it's bunched up together. But can it turn into a liquid again? Well, yes. So basically, this is called condensation. It's the name of the process through which gas turns into a liquid. Three common states of matter exist: solid, liquids, and gases. Matter, however, can change its states with an addition or subtraction of energy. The energy is usually in the form of heat. After you take a shower, do you see the gases from in the mirror? Well, that's the form of heat. So, like I said on the other side, you can add or subtract the heat or the energy. So basically, we're adding the energy. So that's why after you take a shower, the gases on your mirror look like that. So basically, now it is a liquid. So basically, if you want to turn it back to a solid, all you gotta do is put it inside the freezer. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.